I'll be teaching you how you can get project on RWS whilst you are in Ghana or Nigeria or Kenya. Okay, so you're asking yourself, what's RWS? Okay, so it's an AI platform. Okay, they build AI models. So if you go to Google and then you search for RWS, the results shows that they are known for commercially as RWS. Okay, so it's a content solution company. Okay, and on their under their website link, they said we train AI models in human understanding and streamline content workflows to help you intelligent content experiencing as. Okay, so now you get the idea. Okay, so they train AI models in human understanding. So in order to do that, they need human beings to train the AI. Okay, so obviously they are offering jobs for people in a lot of countries. Okay, so recently I made a research and I noticed that RWS accepts workers in Ghana and Nigeria and Kenya. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe if this is your first time, like the channel, put the channel on notification so that anytime I drop any video about online jobs, you are going to get informed. Okay, so let's go to their careers. So you can go to their careers, or to make things straightforward, you just go to Google, you go to Google and then you search for okay, so we can search for RWS AI jobs in Ghana. Okay, so we are going to get job options, okay, from Ghana. So here we are going to look for labor. So look for labor here. Okay, this one. So you are going to choose a lever here, and then you are going to look for AI data specialist Ghana. Okay, so you are going to open this one. Our main motive is for us to get AI jobs in Ghana and AI jobs in Nigeria and Kenya. Okay, so I've gotten Ghana here. This is AI jobs in Ghana. Good. So let's duplicate the tab and then let's check for AI jobs for Nigeria. So let's look for Nigeria. I'm coming. So this is Ghana. Nigeria. Good. So you can see here AI jobs for Nigeria. Okay, so click on it to open. All right, so now let's again AI jobs for Kenya. So let's go back and look for Kenya. Okay, so luckily Kenya was not part. Let's look for South Africa. Good, so we have South Africa here. Okay, so now we have three major countries. Three countries that support the RWS AI data specialist. Okay, now what is this job about and what are we going to do in this job? Okay, so let's read through. So if I open the one in Ghana, it says we are looking for AI data specialist to support the improvement of AI generated content in English. Okay, so what I'm thinking is that we are going to get AI generated videos or content, okay, in English, and then we are going to analyze the video and then answer the questions they are going to give us. I think that's what we're going to do in this project. So now if you go to the project, the job type is freelance job, okay, meaning you are going to work from home, and the location is remote, any part of Ghana. Okay, now the work schedule is part-time, flexible, works wherever you want. Okay, now you can the start date is that after you apply, you immediately get approved. Okay, now duration until the time the job is going to expire, so until December. So you need to be fast and apply as much as you can until December. Now the pay rate is $10 per hour, that's for Ghanaians, and then Nigerians are $8 per hour, and then South Africa is also $8 per hour. I don't know why Ghana is so high, but let's continue the application. So what you will do, okay, the role involves performing diverse data related tasks, including data collection. Data collection means you're going to take pictures, take information, get information, and then give to them. Okay, they can ask you to take picture of a house in Accra, maybe a road network in Accra, or anything, a dog, anything, you understand. So that's the meaning of the data collection. Now data evaluation too can be like, they can give you images for you to evaluate, give out what is the image, what's the image about. Okay, and then annotation is that you're going to mark some certain entities and objects in an image. That's annotation. Okay, now pairwise comparison, I don't know about this, counting tags. Okay, and object tagging and labeling across different content. Okay, audio, video, images, collected data. The use of AI tools or large language models to complete assigned tasks is strictly prohibited, meaning that you can't use ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini, and all these type of AI models in this job, meaning you have to do it straight from your head. You understand? The reason why they are saying this is because they are training an AI. So if you use an AI to answer an AI, it's going to detect. Okay, so what are we looking for? So what are they looking for? So they are looking for people who has English proficiency, advanced proficiency in English, in English at B2, C1, C2. All right, so what we offer: 100% remote work, flexible schedules, opportunity to earn extra income, timely payment. Okay, so now please apply using your email account. Okay, so use your email account to apply this. So we made this video to apply for this job. Okay, so let's get into it and let's start applying for the job. So you go to apply for this job, the same thing to Nigeria, the same thing to South Africa. Okay, so click on apply on this job. Because I'm in Ghana, I'm using apply for the job. Okay, now we have to make a resume. We have to use a resume to I don't know if I have a resume, so let me attach a resume first. Okay guys, so let's attach the resume. And okay, so it's trying to analyze the resume. Okay, fine, so everything is intact here. So let's, yes, everything is intact. So let's move this and let's make it freelance. Okay, now moving down, they'll ask you for these specifics. If you don't have them, just skip them. Now this section is say what country are you currently in, so you choose Ghana, and then your native language is English. Okay, choose English. Sorry, for the UK, not United States, for the UK. And then they ask speak as other language you speak fluently. I'll say Twi, or if Twi is not inside, then we choose Twi. Okay, then have you been an RWS employee in the past? No. What's your highest degree? Bachelor's degree. Have you worked on AI or data service related projects in the past? No. Are you 18 years? Yes. Are you a freelancer or private? So choose a freelancer here. Choose a freelancer here. Yeah, freelancer. Now, are you able to invoice? Yes. Select the options that applies. VAT registered. So choose VAT registered freelancer here, and I'm coming. Yeah, so choose that one. And since when is your have you been in business? So here you can, if you are not a freelancer, enter. And so we are a freelancer, so we have to enter 2017 January 2nd. Okay, yes, you can even make it 2016. So data, and the project is 10 hours per week. Yes. And how would you describe your English level? You go to the last one, C. That's a native speaker level. Okay, if successful in receiving an offer, would you accept the hourly rate? Yes. So you accept, you tick here, and then you submit. Okay, so after that, if it goes through, after that they are going to send an email that they've received your application, and if they want you to continue, you can continue. So yeah, let's go and check our Gmail if they sent an email. Yes, so they will send you this email. Okay, now they said for the next step. Okay, so they said the next step is to take a survey. Okay, now if you click on the survey, they're going to ask you for your name. So the name is Linda Asante, and then the email is here. So the country is Ghana. If it's Nigeria, choose Nigeria. Okay, and don't try to make fake accounts. You are not going to get through. Trust me, don't make fake accounts. And I know the people I'm talking to. Don't make fake accounts. And here you also type your number without the country code. So 233. Let me get the number. 233. So I've already added the number. What is the preferred available time for you? So you can choose part-time. Okay, you can choose part-time or full-time, any of them. So what type of project are you interested in? So I'm interested in a long-term project. Okay, which of the zone are you mostly comfortable in? Maybe I don't know the difference, but let's choose the first one. Which of the following types of tasks have you performed in the past? So I've done data entry, I've done text transcription, I've done translation, image annotation, data validation and control, I've done it, content creation, and yes, so you can choose all of them, any of them that you want. Which of the following best describes your typical approach to complex and unclear tasks? So typical approach to complex and unclear tasks is I immediately ask my project manager and I figure out my own using resources and my best. So you choose the second one. Okay, so here you accept by proceeding. I acknowledge to I have read. So you can open a link here and then just continue. So you go to submit. Okay, so I think yes, we've submitted the survey they want to do on us. Now we have to wait for another email which is going to test. The next email is going to, so it says a coming next language knowledge test. So you are going to test your knowledge on how well you can speak English. Okay, so yeah, that's what we are waiting for. Okay, so let's wait for the email, and the email can take 2 days. Okay, so now since this email is going to take 2 days, I don't want to waste your time. Maybe somebody wants to apply for the job instantly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use mine to teach you and continue. Okay, so what happened after this part? Let me go to mine and then let me show you what happened. So after I did, so this is my Gmail, and then after I did mine around here, so they sent me this mail. We successfully completed the next task, so we should complete an English language assessment. So I clicked on this, and then this how it is. Let me show you if they will allow me. Good. So this is how you're going to do. You are going to go to this page and then you click on next, which will bring you to this page, and then you have to apply your name, and then it's going to be asking you English questions. Okay, I don't have the English questions answers, but they are not difficult. They are not difficult at all. You can easily read and then choose. But if it is you have to pass 35 answers. You have to pass 30 over 35. Yes. So based on the mark you're going to get is where they're going to place you as your level of understanding. So for my own, after I did this test, after I completed my own, they sent me another email here. They said, dear Desmond, this kindly reminder to complete the English. Okay, so after they sent me, I didn't complete it. So the next day, and then I completed it, and then they sent me another one here. Okay, so after I was done, say well done by completing all the steps. No, this is not what you receive. So we're going to receive a mail of the completed so yeah, okay, let's say I finished it, I completed. No, but I received a mail before. I received a mail that showed me my test results before. It showed me my test results. Let's go through this one to says complete assessment. Okay, so I think yes. So well done on completing all the steps, and then they said step 1, sign in and create. So they're going to take you to this platform. Okay, so in this platform they're going to send you another mail. So they sent me this email here to complete a work day, a work zone. Okay, so this work zone is like Octa in relocalize. Okay, so I have to verify it and then take another English test. So they gave me the English test twice. Okay, let me show you how sorry, let me show you how the work zone looks like. Okay, I've already done mine, so this is my login. So I'll just log in into it, and then it will take me to the page. where you are going to be performing the tasks. Okay, so they gave me Microsoft, and they gave me Microsoft accounts. So they're going to send me a Microsoft account that you're going to use to work. So in this part, you're going to complete the profile, agreement, security, and then you are done. Okay, so after I was done with everything, okay, they sent me another email here. They are going to verify your email. So they sent me a email verification, and I did that. Now they're going to send you a task. So this task is about you completing some kind of documents, and then taking signing them, taking them, and then downloading them as well. So once you are done, they will give you a task, and this task is to complete an English comprehension. Okay, so the test here, they sent the test twice, first one and second one. So I was to complete another English test. So they first gave me a US test here, which I got 30 out of 35. So 30 out of 35 is going to put you at independent user here. So if you get 32 out of 35, you're going to be a proficient user. Okay, now if you go back, they gave me another test again, which was in UK, and with the UK one I got 26 out of 35. Okay, which I was also being placed in independence. Okay, so after the assessment, they gave me some credentials to log in into my to activate my Moravia account. Okay, and this Moravia account links you to Microsoft. Okay, so I was linked to Microsoft for this particular after I completed this particular this task that is sent, the email they sent. Okay, so if you go here, I was going to use this temporary. I changed it on the way, so I just use this and then change the so after you activate it, after I finished activation, they sent me the project. This is the project they sent me, Diamond Project Invitation. They're going to invite you to the Diamond Project. Okay, which is what you should target on. Okay, we are excited to they send this mail, and then they gave me the rate to here. You can see it, the rate is $10 per hour for Ghanaians. Okay, so you are going to click on interest forms. So you're going to fill some forms that you are interested in joining them. You understand? So yeah, basically that's how I got the job on. I got the diamond job in RWS. Okay, so this step can work for everybody. If you are in Nigeria, if you are in South Africa, if you are in Ghana, you can get access to Project Diamond in RWS. Okay, let me try and access. So yeah, so let me go back to, so you see they've not sent any mail. So this mail will be in the next 24 hours. Okay, that's why I skipped this part, so that you can all apply for the job. Okay, so if you are facing any issue, make sure you chat me. I've dropped my WhatsApp number link. Okay, it's a link to my WhatsApp DM, and I've also dropped our community group. So that community group contains everything that's happening. So every video I post, I make sure I give my community first before I spread it out for everybody to see it. Okay, so make sure you join my community. Firstly, you join my community, and then also chat me on my WhatsApp. Okay, if you face any difficulties, make sure you chat me on my WhatsApp so that I will come in and help you out. Okay, it's very important. Please make sure you chat me so that I will help you. Okay, I also have Crown Gen in Ghana. I also applied Crown Gen in Ghana, and basically there's no job right now in Crown Gen for both Ghanaians and Nigerians are having job too, but Ghanaians are not having. They are not having good. Good and open projects in Crown Gen. Okay, so later I'll make a video on how to apply Crown Gen in Ghana and then Nigeria and South Africa. Okay, so you can see this my profile, everything is done. Let me enter this, and then let's see the project that I have currently. Yes, so let's verify. Good. So you can see here that we only have one project here, that's dog image collection. So if you have any dog, you just take a picture of the dog, and then they're going to send you some money. Okay, so yeah, so this is everything you need to know on how to create AI data specialist in Ghana and then Nigeria. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and then drop a comment if you don't understand anything. Okay, and then make sure you join our WhatsApp community to get updated anytime I drop a video. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.